Good morning students. All of you get ready for your English period. So take out your English reader book and open lesson 10, that is Tom whitewashing the fence. Before starting the chapter, let's read affirmation. I have great ideas. I have great ideas. So after that, write down day classwork on the chapter, and the aim of the lesson is to make the students use their wits to make difficult tasks easy. Children, wits means intelligence. So we should always use our intelligence to make difficult tasks easy. Now let's read the chapter. Let's learn word meaning of this chapter first. Fence. Fence means barrier. Brilliant means having a lot of light. Chirp means short notes of birds. Sighed means to take a deep breath. Satisfied means content or pleased. Pretended means imagine to oneself in play. Delighted means great pleasure. Treasure means a collection of valuable objects. Previous means happening before or earlier. Next word is exclaimed means cry out suddenly. Orphan means a child whose parents are dead. Adventure means an event that is unusual. And the last word is surprise means astonish or amaze. This story has been taken from The Adventure of Tom Sawyer, written by Mark Twain. There was a boy whose name was Tom, who was an orphan who lived with his aunt whose name was Polly. One day when the school was closed, all the children were ready to go for swimming, but Tom got punishment by his aunt to whitewash the fence, which was a very difficult task for him, that too on a holiday. He saw all his friends were going to play. Again he saw that his friend Jim was going to bring water from the pump. He asked him to whitewash the fence in place of him, but Jim denied not to do so. Tom carried some marbles, pieces of string and few broken toys with him, and he wished that someone could help him in whitewashing in return of these treasures. Now Tom got an idea that he should start working that way as if it was a very interesting work. His friend Ben Roger came eating an apple, and he asked him, "Tom, you are working on a holiday, don't you want to play?" But Tom did not pay attention to his friend's word. Ben requested him that please allow me to whitewash the fence, but Tom pretended to be unwillingly, but handed the brush to Ben. Ben was very happy to whitewash the fence, and he completed the work. So, the moral of the story is, if a person wants to do something hard unwillingly, then that work becomes difficult work. And if he likes to do something hard willingly, then that is fun for him or her. So, we should always use our wit to make our task